What's up, Aaron? This is Ryan, and I just wanted to give you some free value. I'm just going to give you some tips on the website. Whether you hire me or not, I just figured I would help you out. I'll make it as quick as possible. I'm sure you're very busy, but the website is, I mean, really nice looking. It's just simple. And I think that the reason it looks nice is not because of the website, but because the images look good and the logo looks nice. Get a nice kind of like luxury vibe with the logo. I reverse searched these images and I couldn't find them on the internet. The only place I could find these images was your website, which makes me think that you actually did this work and these aren't stock photos. Could be wrong, but obviously this is an extremely expensive kitchen. Got the waterfall countertop, probably Cambria. This oven, I don't know what that is, but I'm sure it costs a lot of money. So yeah, I just want to give you some tips on how to make your website awesome for number one, building trust with your customers so they come and then they actually choose you for their project. And then number two is just SEO so you show up on Google when somebody's looking for, construction or remodeling or, new home build in your area there in New York. So first thing for building trust, you need to have your picture on the website. And I don't know, you could be the son and your dad's the GC. That's like super, super common. Maybe you're young, you don't want to have your face on there. Some GCs, they're like, oh, I'm ugly, I don't want to have my face on there. But yeah, putting your face on the site is the best way to build trust with your customers. And having these, beautiful pictures and showing off the work that you've done is a good way too. But I always recommend you have like a short about us, who you are, why you're in construction, show your face, your family if you have one. Those things go a long way. So for SEO, a couple things that you can add that would dramatically help your SEO. So the first off, I have this little tool here that looks at your meta tags and titles. And so this says, when somebody searches for you on Google, this is all they see. And this is missing what are called keywords, which is basically the piece that somebody's actually searching in Google. So if they're searching for a general contractor in your city, they're going to type in general contractor in city. And so what you would want is you'd want your title to have those words in it. So like right now, your title just has the name of your business and residences, but you would want to have like GC, or you'd want to have design, construction. You'd want to have these like keywords that people are actually searching for. Something about renovations or ground up builds or custom homes, whatever is kind of your thing. You'd want to have those on there. And then the description, you don't have a description, so it's just pulling in whatever text is on your site, but you can really use that for a lot of things, increasing the clicks to your site. You're also missing the locations that you service. So like we have your address here, which also looks like it might be your house or a house. I would switch that to just be an area. It's called a service area business. You can change in your Google profile. So when somebody clicks on this, they don't see like your house, but they see, it'll have like a circle on the map saying that you service all of this in Syracuse and whatnot. That'll help. But then also list out the cities on your website somewhere. So that way when somebody types in general contractor in city, you have that text on your website. So Google knows to recommend you for that search term. The other thing I would do is, well, you should add services as well. So I don't even know what services you offer. It just says, design and construction. This says that you're primarily a custom home builder, but that's just because I have like a little tool. But a normal user or like person in your city that's searching for you might not know what you do. So you'd want to put custom home builder, remodels, ground up, whatever, design, all that good stuff. You'd want to have those on here and then have specific pages for each instead of just one page that has just like a list. So basically more effort you put into it, more Google wants to recommend you to people searching. Another thing that you should know is that a lot of people don't actually scroll on websites, which is unfortunate, but what I would have is a button here that like contacts you via email, a form, your phone number that's like clickable that somebody can call you right away, because sometimes somebody just goes to your site and they want to just get a hold of you and talk to you. And if they can't do that immediately, they may leave and just click on somebody else and try to call them immediately. So just keep that in mind. And then the other thing, maybe the site's new, I'm not sure, but it doesn't work on mobile. There's like a menu, and then the menu doesn't pop up anything. It's just like a blank white screen. So I just wanted you to know about that too. All right, man. Thanks. Talk to you soon.